A double-sided pumpkin boy. Yes, we are going to take cakes, we're going to stack them, and we're going to create this two-sided pumpkin boy. I'm excited about this. Let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome to Koalipops. My name is Vice President Selena Myers. Let's get into this video. Now today we are creating Samsonite and Raven, the double-sided pumpkin boy. Now like most of my double-sided cakes, I'm starting off with two 4-inch half dome cakes to create the body and two 6-inch half dome cakes to create the head. And then I did a little bit of carving to create Raven's side. Now Raven is the scary side of our pumpkin. He looks like somebody dropped him on the concrete the day he was born, and every day since then has just been the worst. Now for the kawaii side, I decided to go with Samsonite. I just like the way that this pumpkin looks. He looks like a Samsonite to me, and I love the name Samsonite. If I ever have kids, one of them is going to be named Samsonite or Samsonita if it's a girl. I don't know if that's a good idea though. And if I can't and I have to adopt, then I'm gonna rename my kids Samsonite or Samsonita. Is that legal? Probably not. Alright, fine then. I won't have kids. I'll just get a dog and name him Samsonite. Now I gave my entire cake a crumb coat and I added a little bit of fondant to emphasize Raven's brow. And that was the beginning of all of my fondant work. I'm covering my cake with orange fondant and I'm creating a seam at the side. It was really easy to blend the seam, you can't see it. And then I was able to hide it even more with the lines I created to make my pumpkin texture. I love this part because I was able to take the lines and really emphasize Raven's brow. And I love that the line on Samsonite's side gives him sort of like a cleft lip. It just makes him look like a dog or a cat. It just looks really cute, man. Now Samsonite and Raven are third generation double-sided pumpkin. Now if you've been subscribed to this channel for a while, then you know that I created a double-sided pumpkin before, Jack and Sam. I drew another picture where the pumpkin had arms, legs, and a body, and I really liked it, but I wasn't sure if I should create it as a cake because of Jack and Sam. And then I realized that I could just expand on the story and the legacy of Jack and Sam. So this is Jack and Sam's grandson. And you can see by the third generation, the double-sided pumpkin family had evolved and grown arms and legs. I love it. To create the body, I'm just wrapping my cake with green fondant, and for the arms and legs, I'm using green fondant as well. I'm just resting the legs on the cake board and then sticking fondant to the sides to create the arms. Now, the arms on Raven's side have a little bit more texture, have a little bit more realism. It just adds to his scariness. On Samsonite's side, I'm making things extremely simple. All of the pieces look at kawaii just to make sure that he is as cute as can be. But like, hold up first, because that little bow is everything. Right? I love that little bow. Once I was finished creating kawaii Samsonite, it was time to finish Raven. Even though Raven and Samsonite are very different looking, they are both good boys. But Raven just drew the short end of the stick. Look at this guy. But even though he's ugly, it doesn't deter him from doing good boy things. He volunteers at the soup kitchen, he donates full Thanksgiving meals to the church, he waters the lawn, he takes out the trash. He's the best boy you've ever seen in your entire life. As scary as some might think his exterior is, inside of him is a heart of gold. Now after I finished painting Raven, my double-sided pumpkin man was complete. Do you like it better than Jack and Sam? I love the way this cake turned out. I think it's just as cute and scary as Jack and Sam. I think that Raven might be even a little more haunting. Actually, Samsonite might be just a tad bit more cute. Now I hope you guys enjoyed this cute and scary cake. I loved creating it. And this concludes my Halloween content for the year, but Halloween won't stop me from creating more cute and scary cakes throughout the year, well into 2021. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments what kind of cakes you'd like to see me create next, and I will see you very soon. Bye.